This video is about the creation of assembly against items. So when we define a new item, we select a department, put the item code, give the item name just like any other item, cost price and retail price. Here the difference is we mark this particular item as assembly item, which means that this item will have a bill of material, all will have child items. So we save this. Currently this item has been saved as assembly item, but its definition is not complete. You will see that the assembly tab is now enabled. We will click the assembly tab. Now the item is displayed here. We will add its child item here one by one. We will select the first item and the quantity of that particular item within the combo we set as 2 and click add. Now we add another item. This is the second item which we want to add within that assembly, and its quantity is 1 and we click add. Now we see that this particular item has 2 child items where quantity of one item is 2, other is 1, and we press save. Now the definition of the particular item is complete and we have 2 child items. Now what's its application? At the time of selling, we can sell any item which is assembly item, and from the icon we can see this is an assembly item and we can sell this item. Now based on our setting, either this item will be subtracted from inventory, this combo, or its child item will be subtracted from the inventory. And for this we, within the system configuration, on the sales tab we have this auto assembly stock, which means if this is checked, then every time we sell an assembly item, its child item will be subtracted from inventory. If it's unchecked, then always the master item or assembly item will be subtracted from stock. And there is another option within the system. Under inventory management, we can assemble or dismantle assembly items. So this screen is used to pre-assemble the inventory items. During assembly, the child items are consumed and assemblies are formed, and the dismantling, the assemblies are consumed or dismantled and childs appear again in the inventory.